Hello, my name is Vince and I'm going to demonstrate how to deploy multiple items using a request. In my stream, I have a number of files that I've already delivered. This stream 2, is already associated with a couple of deployment areas in the admin console. So here, deploy dev2, you can see my stream, and deploy sit2, you can also see my stream there. The 3 files I'm interested in are already in the dev2 area, following their initial delivery. But in the SIT area, there are no files currently, and this is where I'm going to deploy them to. The 3 files in question, I've already had their revisions increased as I made changes to them and delivered the changes against the request. The request is here, and here you can see the 3 files that are related. To deploy the files, you right-click on the request and select Promote. You have the option here to also include any requests that may be related to the parent request. For example, this may be a work package that you're promoting, and it will then ripple down and include items related to all your child requests. In this instance, I have none, but I'll leave the option checked anyway. I'm going to promote to the SIT stage. I click Next. I want to perform the deployment as soon as possible, and this is the area that the files are going to be deployed to. Click Next and then Finish to perform the operation. In the desktop client console window, you can see the promote request command along with the 3 files involved, indicating 3 files were processed. And if we take a look at the web client, on the deployment tab in the web client, I'll just click refresh. You can see there are 2 entries here for the request. One saying that it's promoted from dev to SIT, and the second saying that it's been deployed as the result of a promotion operation. If we look at the result of the job, you can see that all 3 files were copied to the SIT deployment area. Indeed, if we look on disk, we can now see that the previously empty SIT area is now populated with the 3 files in question. That's it. Thanks very much for watching.